Hello, wonderful people. Warmest greetings to all. I'm your guide today to the captivating universe of blockchain technology. If the terms blockchain, cryptocurrencies, and smart contracts have been buzzing in your ears and you found yourself wondering about them, then you've come to the right place. First off, let's simplify blockchain. Think of it as a digital ledger, a secure and shared chain of data. Picture a series of interlinked blocks, each holding a piece of information. The magic of blockchain lies in its unique characteristics. It's immutable, meaning once an entry is made, it cannot be altered. Moreover, it's distributed across multiple computers, making it resilient to attacks. But the beauty of blockchain doesn't stop there. It allows for trust in transactions without the need to rely on intermediaries like banks. It's akin to directly sending money to someone swiftly and without any hefty fees. While blockchain is the backbone of cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, its applications extend far beyond that. Supply chains, voting systems, you name it. Now, how does this fascinating technology work? It all starts with transactions. These could be anything from transferring money to recording data. These transactions are then grouped into what we call blocks. Each block has a unique code, known as a hash, and it links to the previous block in the chain. The network then agrees on the validity of these transactions through a process called consensus. Once this is achieved, new blocks are added, forming a chain. Moving forward, let's delve into some real-world applications of blockchain. Picture tracking every step of a product's journey, from its origin to your plate. Blockchain ensures transparency and authenticity in the supply chain. In healthcare, it can securely store patient records, accessible only to authorized parties. Imagine a voting system resistant to fraud or self-executing contracts without the need for lawyers. All these are possible with blockchain. To sum it up, blockchain is more than just a buzzword. It's a revolutionary technology that's changing the way we transact, record, and trust. So whether you're an investor, a developer, or simply a curious mind, don't stop exploring this thrilling frontier. As always, thank you for tuning in. Don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and ring that notification bell to stay updated. Until our next journey, stay curious and keep learning.